Elon Musk just became the first trillionaire in human history. And I'm not exaggerating. Not a billionaire, a trillionaire, with a T. And the way it happened in the last week is honestly insane. Stick around because I'm breaking down exactly how this happened and what it means for your money. So here's the headline. SpaceX just had the biggest IPO in American history. We're talking about Elon Musk's rocket company going public. And on day one of trading, the stock popped 20%. 20% on the first day. The IPO priced at $135 a share, which already valued SpaceX at $1.77 trillion. Then it opened even higher than that. Let that sink in for a second. This is bigger than almost any IPO we've ever seen in the US stock market. Let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets wild. Musk's stake in SpaceX alone is now worth more than $866 billion. That's just SpaceX. Add his Tesla stake, over $350 billion. And boom, you're past the $1 trillion mark. The richest person who has ever lived, by a mile. For comparison, the entire GDP of countries like the Netherlands or Saudi Arabia is around $1 trillion. One guy now has personal wealth on that scale. And get this, it's not just SpaceX and Tesla. Back in February, SpaceX actually acquired xAI, Musk's AI company, in a deal that valued the combined business at $1.25 trillion. So now rockets, AI, and self-driving cars are basically one mega empire. Okay, here's my honest reaction. This is the clearest sign yet that the market believes the next decade of wealth creation is going to come from AI and space, not just software, not just retail. SpaceX isn't just a rocket company anymore. It's compute, defense contracts, AI infrastructure, and a future Mars mission all rolled into one stock. But, and this is important, there's also risk here. Musk just lost a major lawsuit against OpenAI in May. He's juggling like 6 companies at once. If you're an investor looking at SpaceX stock now that it's public, you have to ask yourself, am I buying into the business or am I buying into one guy's reputation? That's a real question, because remember, Tesla stock dropped 65% back in 2022. Wealth like this can swing both ways, fast. So why should you, watching this in the US, actually care? Number 1, if SpaceX stock is now public, you might be able to invest in it directly. Always check your brokerage and watch for lockup period rules. Insiders like Musk usually can't sell for a set period after IPO. Number 2, this could open the floodgates. Reports say OpenAI and even Anthropic could be eyeing IPOs next. If you're into tech investing, 2026 might be the biggest year for AI stock listings we've ever seen. Number 3, this is a wake-up call on diversification. Whether you love or hate Musk, putting all your eggs in one founder's basket, Tesla investors learned that lesson already, is risky no matter who it is. So that's the breakdown. Elon Musk, officially the world's first trillionaire, thanks to the biggest IPO in US history. Let me know in the comments. Do you think SpaceX stock is a buy right now, or are you staying away? If this kind of breakdown helps you understand what's actually happening in the markets, hit subscribe. I cover stories like this every week. See you in the next one.